Hey everybody, it's me again, Vintage Fan Collector 1939, and I'm here with a 220 subscriber special. Thanks for all the support. Um, I have had so much fun making all these awesome vintage fan videos. Um, this fan right here is a Lakewood 12-inch 2-speed portable fan, model S-122 with attached tilting stand. I picked this up off eBay last month and it's in really good shape. The fan was delivered to my house, just covered. The box was wrapped in this brown wrapping paper, and I'm glad the box is not horribly beat up. I mean, there's a hole right there, but that is just because the box is so old. Um, just that is so cool that I found this one. I just couldn't pass it up. I love this one. Uh, Fragile, it says right there. Um, I don't know where this fan really came from originally, but there's tape on here. Some tape on here, and up here it says world's most unusual drugstore. So I don't know if that's like the original tape on the box or not. I don't know. It looks pretty old, so I would guess it is. Let's go ahead and unbox this fan. Hopefully I can do it on video. Um, Here we go. Well, hopefully you can see that good. Here it is out of the box in minty condition. Like literally, this thing is in mint condition. The paint is anyway. It's minty, but this thing was barely even used. GE, it's got the GE export motor in it. Um, there's the tag right there. Oh, it's kind of just engraved into the motor casting there. This does have oil ports. Oil right there. Oil tag. Or not oil tag. Oil port on the back. There is an oil port in the front, which you can't see, but there is one in there. This does have an original information sticker in the bottom, which is neat. 1.4 amps. This fan also came with the original guarantee card. Luckily, no one's written on this. Just look at how cool that is. That is so cool. It even has some instructions on the back here. 115 or 110, 120 volt, 60 cycle AC current only. I wish new fans these days had lubrication instructions. Look at all that. A good grade motor oil. Number 10 oil tubes. This fan has never been oiled before. Wow, cleaning instructions. I bet you nobody ever did that. Cool. Oh. There it is. Let's put this back in the box. I just keep the box on this, the box for this, stored up in the closet because obviously I'm not going to throw that box out because it's really cool to have a fan like this that has the original box with it. All right, let's go ahead and plug this thingy and then turn the fan on. I will go ahead and take the microphone off. All right, let's go ahead and turn the kilowatt meter on amps. 115.2 volts. Let's go ahead and start this fan up on low. This fan has an awesome startup sound to it, which is really cool. Let's do high. these blades look like Dayton blades, and that is really cool. Because they have that Dayton blade shape to them. All right, put the camera back on the tripod. There it is. I'm trying to get this thing on there. There we go. Let's go ahead and start this fan up on high. This one moves a ton of air. Like, I can move all the way over here and you still feel it. That's just insane for a fan, for an old box fan like that. The amp draw, which is right over there. Oh no, please don't. Trying to see this. I hope you can see that. 1.232 amps. The amp rating is 1.4, and so we're just under that. Look at that. 1.221. Let's go to low. .764 amps. I sure hope you can see that. I'll have to rewatch this video before I post it. That is so cool. Just, I am far away from it and it's moving a ton of air. That is so cool that I found this one. Here's high again. And off. That's off. Great spin down for having no oil in it. I have not oiled this. It doesn't need it because it runs smooth. Anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.